and I was frozen for a little while. I am frozen again. Now I am not frozen. Now I am.
Oh wow. Trying to type so the lag goes away. Okay, it should be working. Yes! Okay, it's back. Okay,
so let's go to my den.
Yeah, I'm here too, scrolling WarriorCat23. Don't forget.
Nobody cares about you. I'm gonna switch my den.
Wow.
Or should I do the other den? Well, this one doesn't have.
Show them my account because I want more buddies.
Where are you? I'm just gonna search you. Let me search you.
Yep, I'm right next to her right now, just supervising. I uploaded a video.
That is her account.
Apprentice Jellypot. I have other animals too, which are, yeah, lots of other ones. Oh wow.
Something happened.
Okay, yeah. Who wants to see my mascot? Because I do. Where is it?
It's right there, BA. You passed it.
Where is it?
You passed it.
Yes, this is my mascot, Hopeful Icy Paw. This was originally Ivy Pool one. Oh yeah, I make Warrior Cat Cougars.
And I love my floor.
What kind of floor is that? Oh, I know. I really want that den.
Oh, well, you don't have it. I don't care. And I'm just gonna go to my Rainbow Lake. So, I'm going to just record a game of Best Dressed.
We usually just, when we want to get in the same server, we just click it at the same time. Or at least we try. She says that this is, if you haven't seen the Minions 2, I think.
Yes, King Bob.
King Bob.
Yes.
The Minion.
King Bob.
Yeah.
And this is astronaut helmet.
Wow.
It looks weird on me.
I know.
Red pandas do not fit inside of astronaut helmets. These used to be my horns, but Bia, forced, but she just forced Sister forced me to give them to her.
Well, I didn't force you. I gave you a rare sombrero.
Well, yes, that was a wonderful rare sombrero. And I love cats.
Yeah, we have a cat.
I'm a unicorn!
Unicorns are my thing.
With a beard.
She thinks that beards are the key.
Yes, they're lucky beards.
Be most epic. Be epic, my little sister. Hope this doesn't lag out.
I'll be pink. And
okay.
With
Do you know how to be epic?
Yes, with fires.
There is sunlight in my eye right now. Oh my god, there's a window right in front of me. Ugh.
Yeah.
So
I will be an epic unicorn. I'm the fire unicorn. I'm so epic that I have a beard. No, I'm just gonna.
Spike?
I'm going to
I think you should wear the long.
Okay. I'm super duper epic with my wings.
Get the rare ones. Oh no. Okay.
I'll do fellow unicorn.
Wow. Great choice, Maisie.
How dare you?
Go. Third place.
How dare you?
I would end it there if I were you.
Dun, 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 dun. How many minutes do I have?
10.
10?
Yeah.
A bug. Okay.
Yeah. So we had a 2-hour delay for school, so we're
Mhm.
here playing
Yeah,
Animal Jam.
this is the best thing to do.
What the? Looks like a. Wait, what?
I'm a bug.
I can't see anything right now because the sun is in my eye. Okay, I have an idea. I will cover it with this blanket.
Oh, yes.
Goodbye.
We will go
Might go on
under
your
the-
head though. Taking the screen, that's for sure.
Mhm.
Oh,
I'm a bug right now.
sun. I don't think it's gonna stay away. Maybe put a machine on top of it.
Why would that work?
Oh.
Yeah, I am a bug. I am a bug.
What kind of bug is that? Who'd you vote for? You gotta vote!
I'm voting for the pumpkin guy.
Ah.
How dare you?
Good try again.
Why do I keep getting 25 gems?
Why
So
is there
far-
crumpled up paper in your bed.
I have no idea. So far, I have got 50 gems. I am not happy. I am not. Oh, I'm gonna be me in this. I'm just gonna be me.
Wow.
No, wait. It was this. No, wait. It was this. No, it was this.
Wow.
And then it was this. And then it was this. And I'm gonna be a cute little unicorn. I mean, what's cuter than a unicorn?
Get a bow tie. That's cute. Okay.
Cute wings.
Wait.
Skirt! Oh. I was gonna do a ring, but I didn't have enough time. Where are all the fellow unicorns? I'm just gonna vote for this though. Why do I keep getting third? I hate you, 25 gems.
Okay.
Well, goodbye. So make sure you check out my next video. It will be of Animal Jam 2. I'm gonna leave the game. So, goodbye.
Good.